Hi to all the creative people out there. Welcome to Nancy Artwork. Hope you guys are doing well. And today's video is an unboxing video. So few days back, I ordered one of a planner for me to track my goals in certain activities, and I was really getting popped up with these messages, promotion messages of Alicia Souza promotion videos, and I really found them very attractive. As you all know that I'm very fond of trying new stationeries and art supplies items on my channel. So I really ordered them, and today it has arrived. Yeah, and I wanted to unbox it with you guys. So let's begin. Also, do not forget to share your comments that how did you like this planner, or if you have been already using the same or a different one. I would love to know your comments on the same. Let's begin. It's a heavy box, so let me start by cutting the tape off from all the side of this brown box. And now let's just pull it out. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Wow, a small letter from Alicia. Very nice. I think anyone who will read this note will feel that it's such a personal touch to any of the present or any of the order you receive. Let's now open this big book of stickers. So yes, this come along with a very big book of stickers, and I quite like the color actually. Now you can see there are so many stickers which will match to any mood you have, and you can use these stickers while putting your daily updates on the planner. I think they are really cute. Alicia has done really cute job. Just check out this unicorn cute sticker. This looks so cute. You also have some outline and black and white matte finish stickers which you can paint yourself or color yourself. I think this is a great idea to make this book a little interactive. So it is actually one of the fun element, I suppose. Back of the booklet also shares what all stickers there are present in this booklet, which you can use. Quite happy with it. And now comes the big planner. I think the cover is amazing. It's a hardbound cover. Let me open this by removing the cling wrap cover. Here comes the most exciting part. Let me remove or open the cover. Oh my god, this looks so cute. I'm so happy to have it. Oh wow, this is the ultimate 2021 year planner, and this is how it starts. This year belongs to, and here you can attach the picture. Then you have the calendar of 2021 and 2022, or just to plan your year ahead. Embrace your inner happiness. I think however 2020 was, Alicia has made a full effort so that your 2021 is a mode of happiness. She has tried her best to bring out that positivity in your start of the year. If you look around the theme, it's upon the positivity and the happiness you can throw on 2021. So it's a beautiful half year calendar, and then you have a divider, and then another half year calendar with some note section. I really like the check note section on the right hand side. Really give ample thought process while she has created these planners, short planners. At the end, there are few empty pages also. I think it's for your brainstorming. Another note from her, a note about 2020. And this note actually tells us that, however 2020 was a tough and hard year, but be full and joyful about 2021. So 2020 was a bit lot of what we did not expected. The year seemed to have passed away for most of us in a weird way, and that's how it starts. I'm not gonna tell what is exactly there, so I don't want to be a show spoiler. So if you order yours, so you feel a little happy about reading this note. And that's a little divider between the note and the main planner. So this is how the planner look like. It's a quite nice matte finish. It's a very very thick planner. I think there's so many pages. A good thick planner. I've not seen this thickness planner before. I really like that sweet face of 2021. The zero has been described by the face. At the end is a balloon and a very golden, nice, chic look to the cover with a matte purple touch. Here you can write your name, you can draw your photo. On the cover inside you have, "Dear lovely you, this year is year to celebrate you, to you being you and not one but you." So I think a lot of positivity and celebration mood coming up with all the themes she has planned. On the right, you can write your personal information, your name, address, phone number, emergency contacts. And here, maybe me and my big ideas, you can brainstorm and write your random ideas over here for the coming year. And here again it comes with a beautiful bunch of stickers. I think she has planned a good number of pages for stickers which you can use around all around for your all day moods, and you will not get exhausted. I think she has made sure that by sending up that additional book of stickers and making sure that this planner also have additional stickers to put on. These stickers are the most exciting part of this planner, because this will only make your planner very interactive and very colorful. And I think that's one of the piece which I really loved about this planner. Multiple borders, tags, don't forget notes, and a letter to yourself, which you can maybe write at the end of the year or the start of the year, wherever you feel like. I think she mentions to have it in the start of the year, but I think I like to have it at the end of the year as like my main memories or the highlights of the year. And maybe after some years when I'll open it, I'll feel a little happy about. So it's totally up to you. And I think this section is the first section which everybody needs at the start of the year. Things to mentally sort. Goals. Steps to achieve the goals. Their dates. I think this is the part of the year when you are actually planning. And that's how your January starts, and then you will see me rolling up for all the months which are all almost the same. So I'll just deeply show you 1 month. So it starts by monthly meal plan, which is a good idea actually. Then the shopping list and things to clean up. And that's how the calendar for the month looks like with the notes page. And then you have daily calendar or notes section. And that's how the January ends. And the February, March, I'll just show you the covers of these because rest of the pages are almost a similar one. So you will see different illustrations done by her in respect to the each theme of the month. Like for March, she had Nimbu Pani, maybe reflecting summers, and then paint the town red. Very thoughtful actually. I really love the October divider. Shake that booty like you sat on a mental chair that's been sitting in the sun. At the end of the December, they have highlights of the year, book I have read, movies I have loved, and few empty pages to write more notes. I think this has ended so beautifully, and that's not it. So they have an additional pocket at the end of the cover, so that if you have some letters or some stickers to put upon save, you can do that. In addition to that, you have a bookmarker designed by her, relax and enjoy. It's a pretty cute bookmarker. I've not seen curvy bookmarkers from a long period of time, so it's a beautiful one. And that at the end they have this elastic band, which will actually and this elastic band for the pen holder. This elastic band will actually help me when I'll just fill it up, and this book will grow a little bigger in size after adding stickers and all. So this will hold it very tightly. Also, it will not let anything out from the pocket of the back cover. So I really like to have these kind of elastic bands on all my booklets, and this is one of the ultimate booklet I have ever received. Best planner I've got. Thank you, Alicia. That's it for today's video, and thanks for staying till the end of the video. And before you leave, there's a giveaway challenge for this video. So people who have not subscribed me yet, please subscribe me on YouTube and Instagram and answer this question. The question is very simple. Please tell me in the comments below how many collab videos I have done in month of December 2020. So I will be waiting for your answers, and a lucky winner will win a short giveaway of these beautiful bookmarks which I did in the one of the collab. And stay tuned for my next video for announcement of winners. Bye bye.